there's nothing like fall camp adventure and a flat tire? Well, it's bound to happen sometime. That's why I carry this ramp jack from Trailer Aid. I've been carrying it around for 6 years, and this is my first opportunity to use it. Let's just pull the good trailer tire up on the ramp. There we go. And we can see that the damaged tire is completely off the ground now. I also carry this 1/2 inch lug nut removal set in my toolbox, along with this 1/2 inch impact wrench. It's as simple as just pulling the trigger and working through the lug nuts. Let's slip the wheel out and examine what caused the mess. Well, it seems someone had a screw loose, and somehow I picked it up. Our spare is on the back of the travel trailer. Remember to always ensure this is filled to correct pressure before your trip. I did this right before I left a few days ago. And we'll simply put this back on using the same lug nuts. Then we'll just back off the ramp and onto our fresh spare. Our camping adventure is saved, and now we can get back to our fun. Yeah!